Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new 2021 Scout 251 XSS. This boat is brand new, just received it. We got this boat in the full hull shark gray, and then we opted for the midnight edition on all the powder coating and rails. So those black and gray complement each other very nicely. Moving to the back, we do have this boat paired with the Mercury 300 digital shifting engine. This boat is equipped with a standard jack plate as well as standard trim tabs from Lenco. This boat's also equipped with a power pole 10-foot blade and also that matching black. I'm going to take a moment and walk inside. Alrighty, so now we're up in the bow of the boat. You can see we've got the family platform set up. Full lounge and sunning pads throughout. This center section here is a removable casting platform that also doubles as a table and as well as this bow filler. This boat does have the upgraded stereo system, so we have our larger JL speakers, and we've got them in the gray to match the hull, as well as a subwoofer in the forward, so you can see up in there. And again, all these hatches open with rod storage on port and starboard. Removable backrest for storage and fishing. Fish box in the floor. And this boat can be equipped with the optional head. This particular boat we left open for storage. Got your battery access and instrument panel. There is our hydraulic cylinder for our bow table. And here's that seat. This boat in the bow is also equipped with rod holder cup holders. So those double. And then our recessed bow locker in the front. Moving back towards the helm, we have vertical rod rack on the port and starboard of this console. Now that we're at the helm, this is our standard helm, tiltable helm, and then we have the upgraded Edson steering wheel. We have the 10-inch Garmin, our digital tacks from Mercury Marine, our jack plate controller, our power pole controller, and then we have a fusion head unit that's stored down below in the remote up top. We have the trim tab indicator switches, USB chargers, as well as 12-volt charging. And then we have our digital throttle and shift there from Mercury Marine. Up top, we have a storage glove box, as well as our switching panel for the hardtop, recessed hardtop storage, and as well as rocket launchers. And then you have bow and stern spreader lights. We have this boat equipped with our flip bolster helm seat, so you can pivot that on both port and starboard seats. We have the Yeti upgrade under below. We have rod holders and cup holders across the back. You'll see our transom is set up in our full fishing mode, so we can go full beam, side to side with no levels or interruptions or trip hazards. We can easily convert to family mode and set up our seats for our triple helm seat there. Underneath there, we can opt for live wells. So we have port and center live well, and then the starboard, the starboard and center live wells, and the port is a storage box. Those easily convert back. This boat is equipped with a raw water and a freshwater washdown, and those hookups are right here in the back. These panels across the back here are all systems access for our bilge. Guys, I hope you enjoy your tour of our 2021 Scout 251 XSS. Again, my name is Dotson Guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. If you have any questions or would like to ask about taking this boat out on a sea trial, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again.